Hello! Well, it's okay. What we're gonna do... Oh, more ammo needed on this gun. I gotta run over here a sec, so... And I get the thing that gun's gonna be important. It's a level 2 chain gun. So... I just need to jump again. And then I need to grab this. And put this ban in here. Hello! Right. Oh, damn it, man. It's like a scorpion tank. So if I just pop him in there... I'm scared. And then this guy needs more battery as well, the mine thing, so... That's cool. And we just kind of keep going. Just need to move that camera back. It's getting in my face. Jump back up here. And then we're going to have to get some ammunition for this little man here. Hey, there we go. Oof. Enjoy. More power needed to that bad boy. So we're going to need that tower up and running. Gotta quickly run through here. And now, what was it? It was power, wasn't it? So...
No, there's one who came
out. Or did I just walk back onto a platform?
No, there's one that just came out of nowhere.
Okay. Can't.
He doesn't want to die. I got him. There we go, build phase.
Phase. Okay,